Hi guys, it's Colette, and for day 9 in my 12 days of Christmas nail art, we're going to be working on this teal and green swirl. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my base color, I'm going to be using Holo Taco Bring Me the Teal. Then for the stamping, I'll be using One Coat Black. And then for the dots, I'll be using Hydropower, as well as Mint Mojito and Green Taffy. Today I'm going to be using the MoYou London Illusion Collection number 4 image plate, and I'm going to be using this swirly design here. Once I have it stamped on the stamper head, I'm going to add the dots in each of the 3 colors. Once I have all the dots applied, I'm going to use just a very light coat of a sticky base coat, like long-lasting base, so that it has something to grip onto on my nail. Literally just a very small amount. In fact, that's too much. You can see right here. Or you can do this quickly enough after your second coat that it's still tacky. Basically give that just a couple seconds to dry, and then we're going to be lining this up so that the center is in the middle of the nail and stamping it on. Once you've stamped it on, you can go ahead and kind of break the polish at the edges. If it's stubborn, you could even use your cleanup brush to do this part, and then I'll be peeling off the latex and moving on to the next stamp. Once the stamping is complete, I'm going to go back and add one more turquoise dot in the center. Once the center dots are complete, you can go ahead and finish the cleanup. Once the cleanup is done, I'm going to finish it off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Sèche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. I really wanted to figure out a way to incorporate stamping with the overall Dotticure theme, and I think the way this changes them to kind of a scallop design is really unique. These are holos, so I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so that you can fully appreciate them. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial for this, it will be up here on YouTube shortly. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this one down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.